Alright, we're working on the new 175 here. I got it the other night. Actually, yeah. We got it the other night. So far Let's see, I'll put the phone back on here. I just put on the finish for looks, but anyway. Alright, so I took the... Let me take all this stuff off. Just a second here. Alright. Gotta be careful with that pan. Okay. So I've taken off pretty much everything to pull the engine, essentially, because that's what I got to do, because it's locked up and all that great stuff. I think what happened is the oil tank is cracked right here, as you can see, and I think something happened and the person didn't notice, whoever was riding it last, and it ran out of oil and it blew it up. So I think that's what happened. So essentially, yeah, I've got the carb pulled, pretty much everything's pulled, chain is undone, everything is undone. I think I'm gonna go pull the engine at Zach's house, and I think that's where we'll pick back up. So we're heading over to Zach's house. I'll take the asphalt because it's smoother, and what was I gonna say? Yeah, so far I've talked about the what I've undone out of the engine, and basically it needs a new top end and a new bottom end. I think it's gonna need at least crank seals and a piston and rings, but I don't know. So that's what we're gonna find out. And all my tools are in the shop, which is locked, so I can't get in there. So that's why I'm going to Zach's. And yeah, so I think it's either an 82 or 83 YTM or Moto 175. I don't know if it's a YTM 175. I'm not sure. I'm not used to the Yamahas. So yeah, it's a 2-stroke 175 auto clutch. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I like the idea of a 2-stroke, oil injected, and front forks. That was my theory for getting that. So yeah, we'll pick up when I get back to Zach's house. Alright, we're back. I'm filling up the little tank because these tires are really low. I'll just air them up and they hold air really well, and I'm happy with the tread, so I like those. And those are cool tires, so I'll keep those. But yeah, so this is a better look at it, I guess. This is cracked. I kind of need to undo that haggard job, and then I just want to stitch it, honestly. I just like that better. But I can sand these. I kind of need a new sticker there. I really like the Yamaha sticker. This can all be sanded and stuff, so that can all look better, but it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. What else? Yeah, this is pretty much it. So we're gonna tear into it and take the engine out. All right, we're back. I got it to Zach's house, obviously. I've been working on it. Got the engine out. The oil tank I got the oil tank out. This is the cause. Oh, I don't know where that goes. Actually, I should probably keep this, but most of it's garbage. Anyway, yeah, there's the little engine. He's ready to get taken apart. It's not very big. It's just a little feller. But let's see what that looks like. Ooh, the rings are right there. Yeah. Anyway, got the engine out, tires off. Let's see, all the accessories and stuff. I basically just, honestly, I don't feel like losing all of my bolts and stuff. So like I'm gonna leave the sprocket off, but like the front sprocket I'll probably put back on the motor, and yeah. So a lot of, like, here's a little fuel pump there, and then fuel line. There's a lot of lines and stuff that go to this. It's kind of weird. I'm glad I have a manual so I can know exactly where everything goes. And I think these Yamaha like shift linkage deals are kind of they're like floppy. There's a lot of play in them, so I don't know if I can make that work better, if I can make it solid, but I don't know, really. I'm not sure, so I'll have to figure something out. I don't want it floppy because that's really annoying and I hate that, but I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. Man, I wish I could weld it like in the exact place that I wanted it, and then I could just leave it like that, because that'd make me really happy. But I don't know if we'll go for that or not. It's kind of haggard to do it that way, but pretty exciting. It's going pretty well. I got the the engines out and it's going smoothly. So, oh, there's my hitch. Look at this hitch. It's pretty exciting. Oh, it looks like it has a hitch there too, but I don't know. Maybe that's not. I kind of want to find a rack that will work. Maybe that's what I was going to talk about. I want to see if I can fit a 110 rack on there. Like that's the mounts like that, and that's how the 110 mounts. So it's like really similar, but I don't know if it'll be the same or not. I'll have to go look at another one. Actually, wait, where'd that other one go? Oh, there it is. Yeah. That one mounts a little different, but well, that one mounts just to the grab handle. I don't know. I want to see if I can make a rack work. Like that little thing. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell, but I think we can make it work, and I think we're gonna pull the engine apart tonight. I don't know actually. We'll just see. No, we're not gonna make any promises, but I want to pull the top end apart and just see, because it's locked up. So I just want to see if it's what it's like, but I know it definitely needs a lot of work, which is fine. That's no issue. So yeah, it's going well. All right, here we are. We are taking the engine apart. I've got 5 nuts out, or 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6. So I got 5 out. We're just gonna take the other one off, and then the head will come off, and then we'll take some wrenches and pull the cylinder, and then we're gonna see the piston and all that good stuff. So there's some music.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That doesn't feel bad.
Well, it just needs to be honed.
Definitely needs honed.
It definitely ran out of oil for sure, though.
Like, it might be like the X2.
It might be just like the X2. There we go. That's the. Here, grab your phone. Grab your flashlight. So what is that? Oh, look, there's the. Yeah, she's stuck in there because the. Yeah, I think it just rusted to the wall. So we're about 3 hours late. Actually, less than that. Like 2 hours later, maybe half hour. I don't know. A time later, we got the piston out, or we got the cylinder off. I'm bolting it back up to take it back home. But essentially, the rod is like screwed because it's just rusted in there. The piston was rusted in there, and so is the crank's all nasty and stuff. So, so that's no good. But I can order a replacement crank for like close to $100 about. So I might have to do that, but I don't know. It's no fun because I would rather have a good crank, but I don't. So it's sadness. So I have to put it back together, put the engine in my pickup, and then take it home. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. All right, the 175 is loaded. Oh, memory low. All right, well, it's all right. All right. Okay, 175 is loaded. Parts there. The engine's in the cab because I wanted it there. But I think we're gonna head back home now. She's just gonna relax there.